Historiography development in the West. Historical research, writing, and studies are carried out with an objective of understanding the chronology of the past events and their interconnections. This is a continuous process. In the physical and natural sciences, the empirical method, laboratory method of experiments and observation is used to verify the available knowledge. This method allows formulating laws that remain true irrespective of the time and space. Those laws can be tested and proved repeatedly. In historical research, it may not be possible to use the method of laboratory experiments and observation. This is so because we were not present in the historical time and space, and the historical events cannot be recreated. Also, in history, it is not possible to formulate laws that remain true irrespective of time and space. To begin with, we need an expert who knows the language and script of a historical document in order to read it and understand its meaning. Also, the experts can examine the authenticity of the document by using criteria such as lettering style, author's style of writing, manufacturing date and type of paper, stamps of authority, etc. Such a document is further scrutinized by a historian with the help of relevant historical references. Historical research method. In order to write the historical narrative, we require inputs from the various heads. 1. Examining relevant references of the available historical information. 2. Collecting historical information, highlighting the processes that lead to historical transitions, carrying out comparative analysis. 3. Critically examining of various sources of history. 4. Formulating hypotheses. 5. Understanding the references regarding time and space of the given historical events and also various conceptual frameworks used in historical research method. And 6th, formulating relevant questions in view of the historical references. So, under all these 6 heads, from these 6 heads, we finally take the task of writing historical narrative. Methods of various disciplines are useful in historical research. For example, archaeology, archival science, manuscriptology, epigraphy, study of inscriptions, analysis of lettering style, linguistics, numismatics, study of coins, genealogy, study of lineage, etc.